Hi guys, it's Mr. Bromfield here, and today we're going to carry on with our notation skills, and we're going to see if you guys can say and play your rhythms. First of all, let's recap. The longest note was a circle like that, which is called a semibreve. Then take your circle, add a stick, and that made the next note. Then same circle, same stick, colour it in, that made your next note. And then same circle, same stick, same colouring in, add a little flick at the top there, that made your next note. This note, when we write it, we normally write two of them together and they are joined like that. That's what that ends up looking like. This note lasted for 4 beats. This one lasted for 2. This one lasted for 1. This was a half a beat, 0.5. And when you get 2 together, that's 0.5 plus 0.5, that equals 1. We're going to give each of these notes a rhythmic name, which is going to help us to know how they sound. This note, the 1-beat note, we are going to call T. So how does that work? Well, let's write some music. I'm going to pop in 4/4. That's called a time signature. It tells you that there are 4 beats in a bar. It's not written as a fraction. There's no line in between. It's just a 4 hovering over another 4. And let's draw a bar line. So that makes our first bar of music. And in our first bar, remember, if it says 4, we can only have 4 beats. Each one of these is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That makes 4 beats. What is that going to sound like? Underneath, let's write the rhythm word T. I'm going to count to 4. You can say it with me if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's have a look at the next one. This note, which lasts for 2 beats, we're going to call soup. I'm making a little dash there because I want soup to last for 2 beats. I can do this. There. You can't just say soup because soup sounds the same as tea. It has to be long. Soup. Soup. This 2-beat note we call soup. Let's try it. Let's write another bar in here. Okay, and in that bar, these bars have all got to add up to 4. So that is 2 plus 2, that makes 4. And underneath, let's write the name, the rhythm name, soup. Okay, so now let's see what this sounds like. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. Soup, soup. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. So 2 quavers joined together, last for 1 beat, and we're going to call that coffee. So let's go back to our rhythm. Let's write another bar here. And in that bar, which needs to add up to 4, we'll put 4 coffees. And underneath, we'll just write this in shorthand. Instead of writing coffee, I'll just write a C and an F. Okay, let's try all this music together. Are you ready? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tea, 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 tea. Soup, soup. Coffee, 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 coffee. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. There's only one more to do here, and that's the 4-beat note. It's hard to find a word which lasts for 4 beats. So we're going to use world. You can't just say world. You've got to stretch it out and make it last for 4 beats. World. Try it with me. World. Good. Okay. In our final bar, let's put a 4-beat note, a world, and we'll write a W underneath. Okay. You'll notice there's a double bar line. Means we've come to the end of our music. Okay, let's try all this. This is a 4-bar rhythm. We're going to say it. Let's all say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tea, 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 tea. Soup, soup. Coffee, 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 coffee. World. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now that you've tried to say your rhythms, we're going to play our rhythms. And I'm going to use a pencil, and also I'm going to use a can of chopped tomatoes. These are Napolina chopped tomatoes, but we have to say that there are other brands of chopped tomatoes available. I'm going to play this rhythm now. I'm going to do the T's on the top like this. T, 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 T. When we play soup, we could do with making a long note. So I've thought of a way of making a long note. We can scrape the side of the tin like this. Soup, soup. So T, 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 T. Coffee, 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 coffee. That was a long word at the end. I've thought of another way of doing a soup. You could go soup, soup, and world. So T, 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 T. Soup, soup. Coffee, 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 coffee. World. I'm also going to try to play it on this packet of toilet paper. Soup, soup, world. That's how I'm going to do the soups and the worlds. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, go. T, 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 T. Soup, soup. Coffee, 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 coffee. World. Try writing a 4-bar rhythm, see if you can say it, and then play it. Be creative. Find some interesting things to use as instruments around your house. I look forward to seeing your work. It's Mr. Brom, over and out.